The plumbing in your home is an integral and vital part of your daily life. Imagine the chaos if you couldn't use your sink or toilet because of blockage. Hidden leaks in pipes can cause health hazards like mold and mildew, as well as damaging the property itself. Extreme weather and hard water can also have an impact on your plumbing. So regular maintenance is essential. And when problems do arise, you need a plumber you can trust to get the job done quickly and efficiently, using quality materials and at a reasonable cost. But a qualified and licensed plumber doesn't only fix problems, they can also give you advice on how to make your home more water efficient. They can recommend and install the most cost-effective appliances, including water heaters, washing machines, and fridges. If you need a great plumber, contact us today.